Response. All organisms respond to their environment, and that's one of the basic tenets of life science and biology. There are different things. We see a few of them up here. For instance, we have gravitrophism. The trophism means abundance of, or it's rich in that. And so gravitrophism is an organism like a seed will recognize which way is down because of the force of gravity, and it will send its roots in that direction towards the gravity where there's an abundance of gravity downward, and it will send its stem upwards up towards the sunlight, which is also a response when the phototrophism is where light is coming from, where there's abundance of light. So it knows which way to grow. And so this is a response from a living organism based upon its environment, knowing how to grow, so that plants don't grow upside down. They throw their roots downward in response to gravity, and the leaves grow upwards in response to phototrophism over here, where there's an abundance of light. Phototrophism is also, it will lean towards that light. If you have a window with an organism there, if you were to turn this around the other way, it would eventually start to lean back towards the light again. And then thermotrophism is how it responds to changes in temperature. Some plants, the deciduous trees, for instance, change colors in the fall. They drop their leaves when there's not an abundance of light, and they kind of conserve their energy until the spring and the summer when the light becomes more pronounced, and then the leaves will fill back up with chlorophyll again, and they'll start to do their photosynthesis again. So response organisms, there's other response organisms. You have the nervous system in your body. When you touch something hot, you kind of pull back a little bit. These are all built in, and it's a primary tenet of life science that organisms will respond to the environment around them.